What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my trading mindset. I'm trying to get into 2 contracts real quick. Trying to get the right price real quick. There we go. Alright, it just got executed. 2 contracts to be above 1.3373 right here on this yellow line. So we just gotta be above it. Got 2 minutes and 5 seconds, and it should close above it. It's in the positive, so let's see how this goes, guys. $19 seconds left, and as you see, it jumped way up. 10 seconds. Alright, it just expired, and my account now is 201.25. So I believe I made about $70 on this trade, and it was a great trade. Remember, guys, this is a live account. I'm trading with my real money. As you can see here, this is my live account on NADEX. There's a lot of guys that are using fake accounts, guys that are using demo accounts that are trading with their demo fake money. They don't even have withdrawals, and they're getting people to kind of buy into their program, which is false. So be careful for those guys out there, guys. So if you want to trade like me, visit My Trading Mindset. You can see my indicators, you can use my indicators, you can trade like me, and also start making money. Alright, guys, y'all have a great day. Thank you.